Today I'm going to demonstrate the pot and pot method. I'm going to be cooking some steel cut oats. This is what I use, Blue Menu. I'm going to be using this pot to cook them in, and I'm going to place this in the Instantpot. What I'm going to do first, while I'm getting everything else ready, so I can just go right ahead and demonstrate, I'm going to hit the saute button and make sure it's on the more pressure setting. This will get the water hot that I needed to come to pressure, and will really speed up the process of coming to pressure. So what I am using: Blue Menu, steel cut oats, Epicure apple pie seasoning. This has cinnamon, some nutmeg, and some other flavors in there. I absolutely love it. Here is a close-up of this, and I really do love it. It's great on if you're making applesauce and pancakes, anything you want that cinnamony flavors pre-mixed. It's perfect seasoning for me. I've also diced up 2 Cortland apples, and I put them in with my 1.5 cups of steel cut oats, and I've mixed that through. I have 3.5 cups of water. I'm going to pour that right in this pot here. I'm going to give it a good mix. So it's a little bit more than double the amount of oats I've put in. So just mix that up a little bit, make sure the seasoning is blended. I've also put in, and I like mine really sweet, I've put in 7 packs of Splenda. I don't want a lot of sugar. Again, I'm on a weight loss plan. I do use Splenda. I love it. I know some people are opposed to it, but I love Splenda, and it cooks very well. What I'm going to do now is I have my trivet already put in my Instantpot. I'm going to lay this in. I'm going to turn off the saute function, and I'm just going to put the cover on, and I'll be right back. So I have the cover on. You're going to make sure it's up on ceiling. Then we are going to set it. I always use manual. I very seldom use the self-selection, the pre-programmed functions. We're going to do manual. I'm going to adjust it to 10 minutes. It will start now in a second, and after the 10 minutes are up, I'm going to let it naturally release for 10 minutes. We just have a couple of minutes left, and I thought I'd show you my Instantpot decorations while I'm waiting. So I'm a big Harry Potter fan, so I'm also a big crafter, and I have a machine that will cut out my vinyl. So I made a Dobby that said dinner up on top because I feel like this is magic, and it's presto, done. And we're at 10 minutes, so I'm going to hit release. There won't be much steam to come out, just a little bit. There's no big whoosh, and I'll be back when this is ready to open. We're ready for our big reveal. We're going to open her up. And there are our steel cut oats. I'm going to take this out now and give it a stir and show you what it looks like then. So this is what it looks like fresh out of the Instantpot. It's a little thick, I know, but I don't add my milk here now. I prefer to add it when I heat it up in the mornings, and I add a little bit of milk to loosen it up then. And so this will good. This will do me for most of this week.